Feeling very overwhelmed. I'm sitting here, I can hear music, people in front of me, there is food in front of me, and we have been deprived of this since past 7 months. Hi guys, I'm Ritti Anyang. आज मैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा खुश हूँ बिकॉज इतने समय बाद मैं जा रही हूँ एक डाइनिंग एक्सपीरियंस के लिए। आज हम जा रहे हैं पोस्ट ऑफिस रेस्टोरेंट। ये एक रेस्टोरेंट है वसई में, चिमाजी अप्पा ग्राउंड के ऑपोजिट। और अगर आप वसईकर हो देन आई बेट यू ऑलरेडी नो अबाउट दिस प्लेस एंड दे हैव स्टार्टेड डाइनिंग, सो आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड टू गो एंड एक्सपीरियंस दैट। सो लेट्स गो। Behind me is the post office restaurant and now it's already 2 o'clock. ये 3:30 को बंद होने वाला है. Before we walk in, I have to tell you that you can directly walk in the restaurant, but it's always advisable to book your seat a day prior to your visit. So now let's go. I am at the doorstep of post office, but here we have to follow some procedures. First you have to sanitize your hands, then your temperature is checked, and then you have to fill a form where you have to give some details. You have to answer some simple questions about your health and your contact number, your name and your WhatsApp number. That is gonna come in handy later, I'll tell you why. So whatever these details you're giving are confidential. Nobody is gonna have access to that. They are just for your safety. The reason behind giving a WhatsApp number is that the menu will be sent on your WhatsApp. This way you are not touching any menu card or any digital tablet or anything for your menu. This way you're having a proper contactless experience. I had to pause here and tell you how I am feeling right now. I am feeling very nostalgic. जो इतने टाइम से हमने डाइनिंग नहीं किया है. I remember coming here with my group of friends and today I am back here. It's really overwhelming. I am really happy. This is something, you're giving a feeling of coming back to normalcy. So let's go in and feel happier. दिस प्लेस इज़ एट 50% ऑक्यूपेंसी. मतलब इसका है कि यहाँ पे जो टेबल्स हैं वो एक छोड़ के एक बैठना पड़ेगा. सो इफ़ यू सी दैट क्रॉस ऑन दैट टेबल इट मीन्स यू कांट सिट ओवर देयर. एंड हाउ इट वर्क्स इज़ दैट जब भी कोई यहाँ पे आके टेबल पे डाइनिंग करके जाता है उसके बाद एक सैनिटाइजेशन होता है इस टेबल का, एंड देन द अदर पर्सन सिट्स आफ्टर अ रियली लॉन्ग टाइम. सो दैट वे दे आर मेकिंग श्योर दैट एवरीथिंग इज़ वेरी सेफ. दैट्स व्हाट वी वांट, राइट? Now we have received the menu card on WhatsApp. I just want to take a minute again and tell you how it feels right now. I am feeling very overwhelmed, as I said earlier, but now it's like really hitting. Like I'm sitting here, I can hear music, table in front of me, there is food in front of me, and we have been deprived of this since past 7 months. And now when you're getting it, it is, like you're truly grateful. All the food is here. It looks very appetizing. देखिए मुझे बहुत भूख लग रही है अभी तो. Let me show you what it is. So this is the star fry sizzler. Look how big and how filling this looks and how colorful this looks. And ये है जाफरानी मसालेदार lollipop and there's chutney. If you see like this, I'll just pick up. So the captains over here have been instructed not to serve people. जब खाना टेबल पे आता है and then they serve in the plate, that's not gonna happen. You have to serve it yourself. Why? Because that way they're making sure कि सबसे कम contact हो हमारा लोगों से and हम इतना भी कर ही सकते हैं. Here in front of me there's sizzling brownie with ice cream. It's one of my favorite desserts. Let's take a little bit of ice cream also. It's melting. ये अगर अच्छे से ठंडा नहीं किया ना तो मुंह जल जाता है, so इसलिए make sure that you cool it down and then eat. The best. That was my dine-in experience at post office and it was marvelous. The service was great, the food was awesome and amazing. I'm gonna still dream about it and I think मैं फिर से बार आने वाली हूँ यहाँ पे because अभी जब dine-in खुल गया है तो हम क्यों ना उसका पूरा वसूल करें. So I'll come back again. One more thing, I'll leave the Google location of this restaurant in the description, so in case if you guys want to come you can check it out and enjoy the experience. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. And don't forget to like and share and subscribe. Okay. Bye.